Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix GTA 5 getting stuck on the infinite loading screen. If this helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Let's get started. If you're stuck loading into GTA Online, the first thing to try is loading into story mode instead. Once you're in story mode, open the menu and then try switching back into online mode. For many players, this simple trick gets around the infinite loading screen. If that doesn't work, the issue may be caused by corrupted game files. The good news is you can fix this without reinstalling right away. On Steam, open your library, right-click on GTA 5, select Properties, then go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. On Epic Games Launcher, go to your library, click the three dots next to GTA 5, select Manage, then hit Verify. If verifying doesn't fix it and you're still stuck, the last option is to reinstall GTA 5. Uninstall the game completely, then download it again from Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar Launcher. This takes more time, but it usually solves loading screen issues caused by broken files. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix GTA 5 when it's stuck on the loading screen. Try story mode first, then verify your files, and if nothing works, do a clean reinstall. If this helped you out, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick fixes right here on 1 Minute IT Shot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.